Hot Wheelers, it's Craig and Dion here again today, Hotwheels Boys. Today we've got another race for you. We've got some supercars. What's up with this guy? With his funny faces. Anyway, yep, it's all about having fun here on our channel. Just dad and sons. Jordan will hopefully join us when he's a bit bigger. So yep, let's have a look at today's race. Here we go, guys. So these are the cars and Dion will go through them for you.
So we've got the Ford GT Race, the Ferrari California T, the Pagani Huayra, the Bugatti Veyron, the Porsche 917 LH and the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT3. Going up against our new Jaguar XJ220.
Okay, racers, so we're going to take these cars down to the track and get things started. Here we go, guys. We're back at our track. We've got our cars selected. We've got two cars at the starting line and we're about to start the finish line. So here we go, Dion.
Hotwheels racers, hit your lane.
You know what that means? It's race time. Here we go, guys. Race 1, we've got the Ford in lane 2 and the Jag in lane 5. Racers, ready?
On your marks, get set, go.
Winner, lane 5.
The Jaguar XJ220 takes the win.
Here we go, guys. It's race 2. So the Jaguar won the first race. Racers, ready?
On your marks, get set, go.
Wow,
Winner, lane 2.
that Jaguar's quick.
The Jaguar XJ220 takes the win.
Here we go, guys. It is race 3. The Jaguar has won both the first 2 races. So let's see what happens next. Racers, ready?
On your marks, get set, go.
Winner, lane 5.
The Jaguar XJ220 takes the win.
Here we go, guys. It's race 4. We've got the Jag in lane 2 and the Veyron in lane 5. Right. Racers, ready?
On your marks, get set, go.
Wow, the Jag is quick.
Lane 2.
The Jaguar XJ220 takes the win.
Here we go, guys. It is race 5 and the AMG is in lane 2 and the super fast Jag is in lane 5. Racers, ready?
On your marks, get set, go.
Whoa! The Jag wins again.
The
That's
Jaguar XJ220 wins again.
Here we go, guys. It's the final race. Jag is in lane 2 and the Porsche is in lane 5. And yep, the Jag has won all 5 races, so it's up to the Porsche to try and at least win one race for the supercars. Racers, ready?
On your marks, get set, go.
Wow,
Lane 2.
The Jaguar XJ220 takes the win.
it's a clean sweep. That's great. Well, here we go, guys. It's a wrap, and yep, the Jaguar it totally wasted all these 6 supercars. None of them were able to beat the Jaguar. So yep, very pleased with that. And Dion's got something to say.
So thanks for subscribing, and we really appreciate it because we reached 500 and now I think we're a bit more.
Yeah, and yeah, we're really pleased to reach 500 subscribers, and with it's through you guys' contribution of commenting and really liking, putting the thumbs up for our videos, that we keep on making more. And yes, we are really happy about it. Thank you for watching, and keep on Hot Wheeling.